Hello, this is Micah Olson. I am here at a Hamlet Homes community, and today we are going to walk through the Denton, which is a beautiful townhome model filled with tons of light. Let's go have a look. Today we're taking a look at the Denton townhome from Hamlet Homes. This is an interior townhome unit. One of the things I really like in most of their developments is this kind of private courtyard sitting area that they build at the front of the house. It's a garage entry in the back, and so you don't really have a backyard, but you do have this space where you can come in and before you come in, where you can sit and relax and enjoy the outdoors. Also, in all of the Hamlet homes that I've seen, there's a really nice entry landing area. You walk into some townhomes and you're in this little enclosed, landing basically, and then you go straight up the stairs. But with Hamlet Homes, you get a nice entry area where you can, actually have some room to move around before you go up into the house. The other thing you're going to notice in this plan as we walk through this main level, it's really designed as a functional living and entertaining space with a ton of light. Every Hamlet model that I've been through has a phenomenal amount of light and windows anywhere that they can get them. This is pretty amazing for an interior unit. But you'll notice how the family room flows right into the kitchen. There's a countertop with bar stool seating where you can serve from the kitchen into the family room. Again, you'll see the big windows, but let's pan around here and take a look at the whole area. And I guess, you know what, before we do that, as long as we're here, let's look at the pantry. Tons of shelves, tons of space. It's a double wide closet that you can use as your pantry right there. But here you go. Just lots of countertop space, a great island for cooking, lots of storage and cupboards. And then you open out into this family room where if you're cooking and entertaining, it can go all right onto that peninsula that comes out. Also with the bar stools there, people can just eat right there at the countertop as well. Really just a great layout. And as you look at the size of this space, it really feels, you'd be surprised to think that you're in a townhome, honestly. One of the things I really like on the Denton model and the Hastings and their single family models is this private little balcony seating. If it was me, I would have a table out there and I'd be eating out there every spring, summer, and fall meal that I possibly could. On the Denton, as you walk upstairs, you actually have a little bit of space before you're coming right into bedrooms and bathrooms. So it's really nice to get up and you feel like you've got some more privacy than what you might in other places. Great master bedroom, lots of space, lots of light coming in. There's enough room to have a little sitting area. These have a really nice space in the bedroom, great closets. I love the double vanities and that they do the same hard surface tops in the bathrooms as they do in the kitchen. Great Euro edge showers, walk-in showers. Really a great master bedroom on these plans. Let's go take a look at the secondary bedrooms and the hall bathroom that you have. Again, this is just right up at the top of the stairs. And then you walk down the hallway to get to the secondary bedrooms. Even in the hall bathroom, you get the upgraded countertops and nice lighting, nice fixtures. And they're pretty good sized bedrooms. Not the biggest that you're ever going to see, but certainly for a townhome, they've used the space very well. Gotten you lots of light for an interior unit. And plenty of room for, a fair sized bed, dresser, maybe a little sitting desk. All in all, the Denton plan is a great townhome. If you're looking for a new construction townhome, you want something that's affordable. It's really a nice plan.